grace I'm saved, not by what I've done. A gift from God through His only Son. Faith is not earned, it's freely bestowed by the one who calls and lifts my load. When fear comes knocking at my door, your truth reminds me I'm secure. In you alone I rise again, your love will always help me stand. Gift of God, my Savior and King, source of mercy, holy bring. No greater power than your grace. Lift me up in your embrace. I will follow all my days. Faith in you lights all my ways. You are my refuge, Lord above, gift of God, eternal love. Though I stumble, still you remain. Your presence calms my deepest pain. I don't have to prove my worth. Your cross declared my priceless birth. If I